In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to focus on your spreadsheet with the full screen here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a file and you just want to focus on the sheet itself without the distractions of the title bar, the menu bar, or the toolbar, anything here on the top corner of your spreadsheet, you just want to focus on this part right here. Well, worry not, all you have to do is to go to full screen. So how do we go to full screen here in Google Sheets? Just go to View here in the menu bar and select Full Screen. So there are no other ways for you to go to full screen here in Google Sheets. There are no keyboard shortcuts that would allow you to do this other than this step right here. So one more time, that's View, then Full Screen at the bottom of your options. Click on it, and here we have it. We now have the full view of our spreadsheet without any other distractions of those toolbars and menu bars at the top. We can now focus on the data that is right in front of us. If you're done analyzing your data, reading it, going through it, making sure everything is right, you can simply exit this view by pressing on the Escape key on your keyboard. And there you have it. And again, if you just want to go back to that full screen, go back to View and select Full Screen. And that is how you can focus on your spreadsheet with the full screen here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.